I've got a few products from Michael Kors website during their summer sale, and I thought I'm going to share those with you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Actually for today I was planning to upload another video, but long story short, that video is not yet edited. So I said maybe I can record this short haul and I can post it right away after I finish, because I just have a few products to share with you. So as every year, Michael Kors have their summer sale, and this year they had quite a good selection of products, I would say. I was tempted to buy more, but I just limited myself to gifts. My birthday was just happening this week when I'm recording. So today we are on July 27 and my birthday was on July 21st. I purchased a few products, and this time I picked up products that I haven't tried yet before from them. So I'm going just first to show you how the package arrived. As you can see, it was a huge box, and I love the way they packaged these products. Michael Kors, it's in my opinion one of the best websites when it's about delivering, shipping, packaging. They're very prompt, the delivery is fast, and everything came packed impeccably. Also, they send with every order a prepaid return label, and this is even more helpful because I have also shoes in today's video. So yeah, if something is not working, then it's good for them to be returned. So those are the boxes inside. There are 2 boxes, and the third one you can see here. I'm going to show you at the end of the video. The big box here, or the bigger box with shoes, is this one, and here we have sandals. I have already taken them out and tried them. I recorded a short video for you to see how they look on my foot, and I'm in the size 8.5 US. And look how beautiful they came packaged. They have paper everywhere just to not tarnish. Also, one of those logos was covered in paper. So those are the sandals. Of course, they are leather. It is indicated here. So we have leather on top, inside, and also the sole. So just this part, it's not leather. I also thought that this is interesting because there is no leather here, so it is not so prone to scratch, because I'm scratching my shoes quite often, especially if I have heels like this one. So I just love the simplicity of this style. Let me show you what they are called. Those are the Mandy signature logo and leather sandal. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm looking forward to wear them. I'm going to take them with me in my upcoming vacation, because we are also going to have a beach vacation. They are fit. I would say the size is almost at limit. I'm true to the size 8.5 in Europe 39, but this to me, it's fit. And also one thing you might want to take into consideration is the fact that the strap here is quite snug. So I have a thin ankle to begin with, but for people that have more thick ankles, they might run into not be able to close them. So just take this into consideration and maybe try them in the store. But anyway, we are receiving the return label, so in case that something doesn't fit you, you are safe because you can return, I think, within 30 working days. The second product that I ordered is this one. So the second shoe box, and wait to see those. I was debating on color, but then I said I don't have anything like this in my collection. I always go for brown, blacks. I have blue, white, of course not from Michael Kors, from other brands, but I don't have any red shoe. Actually, those are loafers, and they are called Lena leather loafer. Love the way they came packed. I also tried them, and those seem to run a little bit larger than the actual size, and they are still the same size, you can tell, 8.5. So yeah, I think size depends up the model. What I have here, yeah, I tried them in the house, so I think there is some something that I catched on the floor. Okay, so those are also leather shoes. So you have leather on top, inside, on the sole, in the interior. And they are flats. I like to wear my flats. And this is the actual logo here. Look how beautiful and simple it is. I think you can dress up, dress down those shoes, whatever you like. It can be an accessory to most elegant outfits, and also can dress up a pair of jeans if you want so. They work with everything. Color, it's fantastic. I love red. You can tell I have a red blouse. You could also see me trying those and how they fit on me. I had to wear shoes, or I had to wear socks when I was trying those, because my feet were slightly sweat, so I prefer to have socks. Also, it preserves cleanness inside of the shoes if you wear socks, and also it looks more hygienic, I would say. So you can tell how nice and beautiful they look without any jeans. The last piece that I ordered from Michael Kors, actually I started by searching a bag, and I ended up purchasing a backpack. I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to reserve the joy to open it with you on camera. How careful and thoughtful it's everything packed. I was debating which bag to get, but one thing I don't like so much about branded bags, not only about Michael Kors, is that they do not have so many pockets and outer pockets and back pockets, side pockets, because I like to have my pockets to put things inside. And then I came across this backpack which has everything I need. So it starts with 2 side pockets. Then I have a front pocket here. Anyway, I'm going to take it with me on the vacation. So I'm going to open it. It looks like a Mickey Mouse with those ears. I will take my time to remove the paper, and then I will come back. But this is what it looks like, and of course I need to tie the straps in the back side, and also you can adjust them. I hope they are going to be okay for me. Let me show you the pockets, out pockets. Oh my god, so I removed so much from inside, and of course we have more stuff here. Okay, I still have something inside. Those are to preserve the actual shape. So I think I'm going to keep them, and when I'm not using it, I'm going to fill it in. So this is the Jet Set medium pebbled leather backpack, and the color that I choose is luggage. I have another product from Michael Kors that is on the same color, luggage. This is just the crossover bag, and actually they are going to do a perfect match. I'm going to use this as my wallet. I use it with my larger bags, including with the largest bag that I have from Michael Kors. I'm also going to show you that at the end of the video, just to see how it wear and tear after 1 year. But this is the baby bag. And now returning to the backpack. I love this zipper, and actually the pocket is not very big. You cannot put too much here, but you can have your coins if you want so. Or for example, tissues, but not a very big pack. So you cannot see much inside. This is what it looks like. It has a inner or inside pocket, and everything else is just a room. It doesn't have any compartment. We have here the label, and inside, as any other Michael Kors bags I got, we have the how to maintain handbag and small goods. Your handbag is made of beautiful leather on suede, tanned in traditional methods in order to maintain its natural beauty and soft feel. Please keep your bag away from prolonged intense sunlight, water, heat and permanent dyes. So yeah, it's a suede, just the top it's not pebbled. And smells, it has a predominant and a very strong, I would say, leather smell, which will go away with uses. But yeah, now it's difficult to close it because the backpack is empty. So I'm going to mount the straps, and maybe I will ask my husband to take a picture. And because we were talking about other Michael Kors products that I purchased, last year I got this bag, also present from my husband, also Pebbled leather. I've been wearing this for at least 5 times, not so often because, as I told you, I got it for trips, not for day-to-day use. One thing I don't like about this is the side pockets, because once you put something inside, it's quite difficult to reach for it. So usually I only keep there my sanitizer or some tissues. And inside it has 2 pockets. You cannot tell much because it's dark inside. And a zipper pocket for your documents. So that's why I got the smallest one. Jet Set, I think it's also called this one. This is discontinued, if I'm not mistaken, and it's coming with a strap. So usually what I'm doing when I'm traveling with this one, I'm taking this as my wallet and some other essentials. For example, I can also stick my mobile phone, and whenever I don't need to take everything with me, I just pull this one and carry with me my essentials. So in this way I was able to make use of this. I love it. If you have something similar, if you find something similar, do not hesitate and buy it, because this is a lifesaver, especially when I have this kind of bag or now a backpack. Just to have an idea about the sizes, let me just show them side by side, the backpack and the bag. I will link all the products in the description box. Unfortunately, I think this one is discontinued, and this bag, they have it, but on smaller sizes. So everything I'm able to link, I will link in the description box. But I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. I hope you have a fabulous brand new week, and I'm looking forward to see you again with another video. Bye, you guys!